Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Amerlite Underwater Swimming Pool and Spa Light 120 volt 300 watt. Light up the night while you relax in your pool or hot tub with this Amerlite 300 watt swimming pool light from Pentair. Made with a prismatic tempered glass lens, this light delivers optimum light diffusion. Stainless steel shell is perfect for withstanding chemical treatments and general wear and tear. UL listed. Compatible with snap-on lens covers in blue, red, green, and amber to instantly create different moods for different occasions. Features: stainless steel face ring, heat sensing cutoff for low water protection, allows both changes without lowering water level, 120 volt and 300 watt, 100-foot cord. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.